So in summary, you are answering the question, did the colonists at Jamestown follow the rules? On the handout that I gave you, you have the link to the rules page, the instructions that were provided to the colonists. And it is your job to then research and figure out if these colonists followed these instructions by using the Big Six method, which the first is task definition. Define fully the problem. What is our problem? We need to figure out if they follow the rules. Then you need to identify the information needed. On the handout, it has you list out 10 instructions that were provided for the colonists. So you'll answer those 10, and then you will research using the resources provided for you to figure out if they actually followed those instructions or if they did something completely different. And then the consequences that those changes the colonists made had on their actual future. The next step is information seeking strategies. Determine all possible sources and select the best sources. I gave you a custom Google link so that search engine, so that would help you in step 2. It is just your job out of the ones that I've given to you to select the best sources for your defense. Step 3, locate and access. You have to locate the sources. You could use the LibGuide, which has actual texts books to help you, and then you can go find those in the library, or you can use the custom Google search engine that I provided for you to help you find the internet sources. Then you actually have to read those sources, not just the abstract, not just the first 4 sentences. You have to read and skim the vast majority of the entire document in order to find the information within those sources that are helpful to your defense. Next step is to use the information. Read it, watch the videos if there's videos, learn from it, and pull any relevant information. Whether you put those on note cards or you use Noodle tools is up to you. I suggest Noodle tools, but it's up to you how you want to synthesize your actual information. Then you need to decide how you're going to present your information in your final product. And then evaluate your final product for effectiveness and efficiency. Did it do the job? Did you answer the question? Did the colonists follow the rules? And the effects that whether they did or they didn't had on their future. A few additional resources to help you understand the Big Six process. One is a YouTube video that you can watch. She goes to describe the process and then gives you a clear-cut way that you actually use this process in your everyday life. Your next option, which I strongly suggest you use, and this is also provided for you on the handout, is a form. The first 1 through 5 you should fill out before you start any research. It helps you to organize your thoughts and to help you figure out the direction you need to go, all within the Big Six process. So I think it's a really good tool for you to use and will help you streamline the process and get all your thoughts in order. As always, if you have any questions, just ask.